The henna to each cylinder and invert several times to mix. Now take one packet of reagent B and carefully cut along the dotted line using your provided scissors. Pinch the corners of the open packet to form a spout. Add the entire content of the packet into one of the two cylinders. We'll call the cylinder number 1 or the blank cylinder. Cap the cylinder and invert several times to mix. Next, using a different syringe, add 0.5 milliliters of reagent C to each cylinder. Cap the cylinders and invert several times to mix. After that, take your final syringe and add 0.5 milliliters of reagent D to each cylinder. Cap the cylinders and invert several times to mix. The reaction occurring is the elimination of color, so your reactive sample should have less color than your blank. Now that your reagents have been added, fill your first cube to the 10 milliliter mark with the contents of cylinder number 1 or the blank cylinder. Once finished, insert cuvette number 1 containing your blank sample into the holder on your photometer, ensuring that the notch on the cap is positioned securely in the groove. Press 0. The display will show 0.0 when the meter is zeroed and ready for measurement. Next, fill your second cubit to the 10 milliliter mark with your reactant sample. Replace the stopper and cap, wipe the cubit, and insert the cubit into the holder. Press read to start the reading. The instrument will display the results in milligrams per liter of chlorine dioxide. Once the measurement is finished, dispose of your samples in accordance with local regulations. The next sample may now be taken. Happy testing!